We have read your writing and are somewhat familiar with your style, especially in your most recent book. You have distinguished five fundamental forces that account for a significant portion of several hundred years of economic history. I had the idea that we could use some of those to apply to the current situation. The first factor, if my memory serves me well, is related to money, credit, debt, and the economy. The others are forces of nature, which includes climate change today, technology, external conflicts, and internal disputes inside a nation. Let's begin by applying the first one, which has to do with credit, money, debt, and the economy to the present. Long-term interest rates are one of the most contentious issues. Will real interest rates on longer terms continue to be high? After being negative, we are currently over 1. In the upcoming years, will they continue to rise, or will they decline again? On either side of this debate, there are camps. In the grand scheme of things, where are we going? For me, the most crucial thing is to not only provide a higher or lower response to a question, but also to describe the mechanics, the cause and effect linkages that are taking place. Three major, previously unheard of events are occurring in our lives, which is why I conducted the research that became a book. To be clear, there are three things that startle us, even if they have happened frequently throughout history, but not in our lifetimes. These are the massive debt generation and monetization, the internal strife brought on by widening wealth disparities that gives rise to populist movements, and the potentially violent great power struggle between similar nations like China and the United States. This renowned investor might be interested in purchasing Tesla stock, which would be extremely significant for the company. Come along as we dissect Tesla's most recent catalyst, which is attracting investors and propelling the business to the forefront of the automotive industry. We're going to go into great detail today about why Elon Musk is the key to Tesla's incredible success. Not only do we say this, but well-known Tesla investor and hedge fund manager Ray Dalio says the same thing. Not only is Elon Musk the CEO of Tesla, but he is also the real deal, the one responsible for the company's phenomenal success. We're going to reveal the reasons behind his critical importance to Tesla's achievements. Musk has guided Tesla to even greater heights with his vision, spirit of risk-taking, and touch of magic. We'll discuss a few important elements that helped us arrive at this decision in this video. We'll also go over some of the main arguments for why Ray Dalio might want to increase the number of Tesla shares in his investment portfolio. So let us get started without further ado. In the area of electric vehicles, I kind of think it's unfair to compare Tesla with Ford. I'm not convinced a Tesla customer is the same as a Ford Escape customer or someone looking at other Ford vehicles like the F-150, even if Ford offered all of its cars as all-electric possibilities. Simply said, they're not the same customer. You are not the same individual looking at Ford cars if you can afford to buy a brand new Tesla or even one from within the last few years. The key question is how this arrangement will affect businesses like Ford on the other side and what steps they will take to continue being relevant and competitive in this market. We have always maintained that Tesla is far overvalued if it is evaluated like an automobile firm. However, it's not. It's being charged like a tech business. You need to consider the type of technology company that it is. It has investments in solar energy and is also innovating in the field of batteries. It goes beyond the cars we drive by on the street. The proponents of this moniker claim that because it is a tech firm rather than an automaker, it will not be harmed by a pure-play automotive headwind. Brands like Tesla trade at a fraction of the multiples of Ford and GM. Their year-to-date performance isn't even comparable. After retreating almost 12% from its peaks, Tesla has gained 124% so far this year, placing it in a far stronger position than it was just a week and a half ago. They have risen 171% from their low, even with this week's increase. Tesla frequently appears on this program because it receives a lot of traffic and is constantly updated with news. Although there wasn't much news to discuss today, traders and investors are always quite interested in Tesla. It's always a matter of curiosity, even with today's minor decline. Ray Dalio, a multi-billionaire investor and hedge fund manager, recently discussed his views on Tesla CEO Elon Musk. The largest hedge fund in the world, Bridgewater Associates was founded and led by Ray Dalio, who commended Musk for his curiosity, learning curve, and enthusiasm for creating discoveries. Dalio has spent years researching the behaviors and dispositions of great leaders. He has conducted interviews and given personality assessments to individuals such as Musk, Bill Gates, Reed Hastings, the co-founder of Netflix, and Muhammad Yunus, the economist who won the Nobel Prize. Dalio was very impressed with Musk's curiosity and relentless dedication. Dalio said Musk is a deeply committed individual who is passionate about what he does. Musk, according to him, is a head honcho with lofty goals. Elon Musk has a reputation as a risk taker since he doesn't hesitate to take chances and make audacious choices. Tesla has a significant brand recognition because of his public image and communication approach. Maintaining interest and trust in the firm is essential for its continuous growth, and Musk does this through interacting with stakeholders and Tesla supporters. Under Musk's direction, Tesla has opened up new markets and production sites across the globe, increasing its global presence. By increasing its client base, Tesla has been able to lower production costs and enhance vital components that are essential for its growth. For this reason, we think Musk is the reason Tesla's electric vehicle technology is unimaginable. His electric revolution is generating an earthquake in the automotive sector, all the while helping Tesla thrive. What qualities in a Tesla could Ray Dalio be searching for? Let's investigate. Before we go, though, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications if you enjoy this content so you can be informed about all things Tesla. Musk's eagerness to question the current quo is responsible for Tesla's disruptive influence on the automobile sector. His unorthodox business strategy and dedication to electric vehicles, EVs, have completely changed the industry, propelling growth for Tesla and the EV market as a whole. Due to its distinct position in the electric vehicle, EV market, and its sustainable energy initiatives, Tesla offers diversity inside a single stock, potentially lowering risk and increasing returns. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has a long-term outlook that is consistent with the objectives of retirement investors for steady, sustainable development. Tesla is a forward-thinking firm dedicated to transforming energy and transportation, not just an automaker. Investors who wish to participate in a better, cleaner, more sustainable future are drawn to this brand's values and mission. Investing in Tesla for retirement can help achieve this admirable goal while also increasing your wealth. Tesla is an attractive option for retirement investing because of its performance, promising future prospects, and sustainability. You can avoid a great deal of headaches down the road by creating a sound financial plan. You won't have to worry about relying on Social Security or other benefits, which might not be enough to pay your expenses if you have a retirement fund. Also, you won't have to be concerned about running out of money or approaching friends or family for assistance. Those who create sound financial plans are able to live in the moment and not worry about the future. By utilizing compound interest, which has the capacity to increase money over time, they can live well in their latter years. Tesla contains risks, just like any other investment, so purchasing its stock ought to be a planned component of your retirement plan. This is the proper course of action, in our opinion, and Tesla may be really helpful in protecting your retirement funds. Since this is all conjecture, it's acceptable to harbor doubts. A financial counselor should be consulted as well as yourself before making any investment decisions, especially ones that affect your retirement plan. How do you feel? Tell us in the comments below. Please click